Let's go, guys. Let's go. My name is Simeon Chotilal, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm really excited to have each and every one on the call to share today's opportunity, Shao. It's definitely a game changer in the crypto space and investment online area, I should say. Right? Shao is a neo banking system which is 100% accessible online. So guys, let me know if you all are hearing me loud and clear. Put a one in the chat box if you're hearing me loud and clear. Let's go, let's go. I'm really excited because Shawbank have accomplished a lot, guys. The platform has been launched September 2022, right? We are in 2024. Actually, today is the 27th of the 1st, 2024, right? So if someone could just put a one in the chat box, that just to confirm you all are hearing me loud and clear. All right. All right. So moving forward, I'm seeing Nigeria, Nicole. Nice to have you guys here. All right. Perfect. Wendell, thank you. Right. So guys, a little history about myself. I've been involved in cryptocurrencies for the past 3 years. Um, I've also been involved in forex trading, and I must say, a lot of time was spent there learning how to trade, funding accounts and blowing accounts too, right? So paying monthly subscriptions, all these sort of things where we spend a lot of money, and really and truly we don't really get that value for that money because of the subscriptions and heavy fees you had to pay and stuff like that. So I'm here to give you guys a solution, right? And it's called Shao Bank, right? The organization Shao Bank is a universal banking system that is 100% accessible online, right? Shao Bank deals with credits, bonds, deposit options, right? If you're into marketing affiliate program, they have a really nice marketing program where you could earn up to 10 levels deep into the network marketing, right? And also you could earn tokens where you could purchase cases within the platform through their marketplace and earn additional cash to your account. So the good thing about Shao Bank is that they already have a stable strategy that is working, guys, and they basically deals with bonds, which is a less risk opportunity compared to forex trading and cryptocurrency trading, right? So with Shao Bank, I mean, guys, come on, we are in 2024. This platform has been launched 2022, right? They had a summit, right? A big milestone accomplishment there with innovation technology. They ventured into Bitcoin. They ventured into chip technologies, right? Innovation technologies. You could check out their YouTube channel. All the information is available on the webpage. You would see Shawbank, Telegram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter information there. So you could see a complete website here as well. It's not something that just was put together yesterday. This company has been operating a year plus now, right? We are still getting fast withdrawals from the platform, right? The platform is working great. They have awesome contracts available. And as you can see, is a lot of information here. So in terms of legal documents, Shawbank have all the information on the website under who we are documentation. You would see all the legal information here. Shawbank has originally been launched in Hong Kong, September 2022. You'd see the certificate number there. Also, their UK number not too long after their registration here. Right, there's a legal identifier number for legal transactions. There's the ICRS for cyber information, IPLC for the UK certificate, and they also have a COI, which is Go Insurance Certificate, right? So Shawbank is also affiliated with a very powerful ecosystem. They have about 5 corporations affiliated with them. Some of them have over 35 years of experience, which is good. And one of them is Go Insurance, which technically means that our money is insured with Shao Bank, right? So before I go straight into the presentation, guys, I just have my personal risk disclaimer I would like to put out here that I'm not responsible for your finances. I do not manage anyone's funds. I'm simply an investor in the platform as well. I took the risk, understand what it is I was getting involved with, and I made a decision to invest into the platform. So I am not your financial advisor as well. It's only if you see it fit to get involved and to capitalize on the opportunity. Like what I did that in March 2023. I got involved and I have seen smooth transactions within the platform. All right, so that is just my general risk disclaimer there for any online online platforms that deals with cryptocurrencies and finances online, right? So by no way we are forcing anyone to invest into opportunity that you don't understand. You got to take your time, go through the information, make sure you understand it to your knowledge, and then you do a risk capital investment, right? We're not saying to take your emergency money, your rent money and stuff like that. So this is a way you could earn to basically have an asset working for you because it's all about liabilities and assets, guys. We spend a lot of money in things that does not bring income to us. So this is just one way it could possibly work for you, right? So this is me just sharing my experience also with Shao Bank. And again, once you see it bringing value to you, you could get involved and make an investment based on your financial status and have that working for you, right? I don't know what the future holds. I could speak about the present right now. We actually did a withdrawal yesterday and we got it in less than, I would say, 4 hours, right? So with that being said, I want to get straight into the um, core information of Shao Bank, and that is basically just pointing out some of the accomplishments here from their Telegram channel. As you can see, September 2022, they officially opened globally worldwide. So after that, they introduced bonds. That is the contracts available for us to invest into. Every so often, they will introduce new bonds to the population in terms of globally. They will introduce new bonds and try to facilitate the community standards as well. So you would see bonds, different bonds numbers as time goes by as well. Information there also is a loans option available within the platform. It's called the credit options, right? So they launch their marketplace in 2023 where you could use these tokens that you get as rewards and buy into cases, right? They did some updates as well in their website, digital banking. They also employed staff as well. So all these things was accomplishments here. UK opening 2023, Go Insurance, as I mentioned, the ecosystem, one of the corporations here. New bonds release June, July. Shao Bank was actually recognized as one of the top 5 fintech companies. Then they introduced the online presentations where you could find on the website. Yeah, new releases of bonds. So you see a lot of different bonds was introduced during the time period as well. They recently had a summit in December there. It is recorded and also available on the YouTube channel. So they recently add the credit rating score. This will help you um, know the level you reach at and getting qualified to apply for a loan within the platform. So that is within the account as well. They add new payment methods. Shawbank have over 12 plus cryptocurrency options available to pay to deposit into the platform. They did some updates as well, new marketing tools, branches open worldwide, Brazil and other countries there. They have new bonds, bank agent vacancy as well. And in 2024, this year, they introduced their financial report for 2023. Some of the branches that they open worldwide, they basically looking to put crypto ATM license, insurance of the loans. The app is already available on the website. You could go straight to the website and you would see, once you scroll all the way down, you're going to see on the right hand side download APK. So if you have an Android device, the app could work right now as we speak, right? So with that being said, I'm gonna get straight into the contracts available from Shao Bank, and this is the bonds contract options. So I like to demonstrate this part of the presentation with our account, right? It's really easy to sign up. It takes less than 5 minutes to sign up with Shao Bank. You could basically get a referral link from the person who invited you to the call, or you could basically go to the website directly and sign up, guys. It's literally 5 minutes. It's free to do so. It's KYC ready by default, and also you could enable the two-factor authenticator, right? So as I mentioned, they have um, introduced some new contracts. Every so often, they will be introducing new contracts. If you see it interesting and bringing value to you with these current contracts, you will have until the 31st of this month, which is just a few days from now, right? To make a decision if you want to partake into one of these bonds contracts currently, right? They pay really nice. They have a really nice long-term 10-year bond. And I mean, you could come in here literally with 52 USDT and start capitalizing on one of those contracts. I don't know what the future will hold with the new contracts that they are bringing out, but you could capitalize on what they have available currently. So we want to head over to the bond tab here on our account. We want to discuss briefly about these contracts available, guys. So in terms of deposit options with Shao Bank, they have a lot of crypto options available, right? They have the popular Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, they have Solana, and so forth. What they introduced to is Alipay EP as well, right? So you have a lot of options you could deposit. You would see HKD here, that's called the Hong Kong dollar. Every sorry, they use the HKD because it's their local currency in Hong Kong. They decided to use their HKD. This will allow you to reinvest into the platform as well, because once you get your earnings to your account based on your contracts, what you could do is activate a contract based on your earnings, and all you do is pay with HKD, right? And that is going to activate a bond contract in your account with your balance, right? You don't have to pay money from your pocket, I should say, right? For that option. So we have the AA1 here. The first contract available, the contract pays 0.45%, 7 days a week for 10 years. So basically all the contracts is maturity 10 years currently. It's just that the different contracts pays different percentages and they have a different minimum amount to invest into. So the AA1, it's literally 51.28 USDT. That will give you 0.45% a day, right? Your weekly earning, you would see it under HKD, not to be alarmed by that. It's 1260 each KD a week, right? So if you're wondering what is that amount into USDT, all you have to do is open your web browser, right? And type in HKD to USDT, and you're gonna see a conversion calculator here, right? Just type in 12 here, it will give you an estimate on the USDT coming back to you on a weekly basis, right? So that's about 160 coming back to you. Your minimum, as I mentioned, is 52 USDT, and that will happen every week coming back to your account, right? So that's the AA1. You could have multiple AA1s working for you. It's not limited to one on your account. The second contract is AA2, right? AA2 pays 0.55% a day for 10 years again. The minimum, it's 256.40. If you're looking at a weekly earning is 77 HKD. So all we had to do is type in this here. It's $9.85. So check this out. With this AA2, what you could do is develop a strategy every week, because the minimum withdrawal is $7 USDT in Shao Bank. So actually, you could withdraw 7 USDT every week, leave the remaining balance until it accumulates, and then you could buy into the AA1. So look at that, guys. It's so easy to compound and reinvest into Shao Bank, right? So if you could afford the AA2, it would be a great contract to start off with, right? Because every week you could do a withdrawal with that particular contract. Right? You come up with a strategy. So we have AA3 here, 0.65% a day, 7 days a week. The minimum it's 10, 25, 60 USDT a deposit. Your weekly earnings is 364. So 364 is 46.58 USDT, right? On a weekly basis, right? It's on a weekly basis. Again, you could compound, you could reinvest, and so forth. That's the AA3. There's the AA4. Minimum is $5,128 USDT. 0.75% a day, 7 days a week. Weekly is 2100 HKD. So you have 2100 here, $268.73 weekly earnings with that particular contract. Again, guys, you could come up with your own strategy and reinvest and compound within Shao Bank. So you have AA5, minimum it's 10,256 USDT to invest into that contract. You get 0.85% a day, 7 days a week for 10 years. You have weekly 4,760 HKD coming in for you. That's 609 USDT. Again, you could compound, reinvest, up to you guys. By far, this is the best contract available on the platform. This is for the investors who like to, come in at a large sum of money. This here is the EA 6.95% a day, 7 days a week. You get 26,600 HKD. So that's 26,600. You get that's 3,403 USDT back to your account on a weekly basis. The minimum to invest in that is 51,280 USDT. Right, so you see, there's a lot of contracts available, guys. I remember when I got involved, they only had about 2 contracts. Now there's literally 6 contracts available. If you're interested in any one of these, remember you have to make a purchase before the 31st, which is next week, Wednesday, right? I don't know what they will be introducing afterwards, but I mean, this is totally affordable, guys. You have the AA1, 52 USDT, or the AA2 at 257 USDT, and you could do weekly withdrawals with AA2, right? So moving forward, you're looking for other way to earn within the platform through an investment opportunity. There's the deposit option available where you could come in here, open a fixed deposit for the year, right? And with this earnings, it's a minimum investment, 1,025.60 USDT. You get 11.50% growth after that year accumulation, which is really good. It's a fixed deposit, so it runs for a year minimum. So you could choose up to 10 years or so forth, right? It's all up to you. So it's a deposit option available, a fixed deposit option if you want to earn through that as well. The reason being that why they introduced the deposit and the bonds is because well, at some stage we qualify to apply for a loan, taking the products of the company. So once you take all the products of the company, you are going to be at a stage to apply for a loan, right? So a loan is good because you could do a lot of things with a loan. You could buy properties, you could do traveling, medical treatment, educational, business. You could start your own business like that. So it's categorized in 3 areas here. You have the mortgage loan, they charge 9% interest rate for the year. Consumer loan, they charge 16.5% interest rate for the year, and business loan 14.5% for the year. So that is something to get excited about because once you qualified for the loan, you could apply, and I mean, guys, you could do a lot of things with that loan, right? You could do a lot of things with that. So this section here is for persons who Um, you want to market, you want to network, you want to work with your leaders. Shawbank have a really nice network marketing side available where they pay 7% on your first level if you sign a friend, a colleague, a family member with your link and they activate one of the bonds contract, you get instantly rewarded to your account 7%, right? That comes from the company and not the customer's account. So again, this is totally optional. If you're not into marketing, I mean, you don't have to, right? But I mean, guys, come on, it's 7%. It's a lot, right? We advertise daily for companies, cable companies, fast food outlets, and we don't really get compensated. So Shao Bank is saying, okay, you share our opportunity, you get active clients, we will compensate you, right? So on your first level, you sign someone, you get instant 7% to your account. You would see price here, how Shao Bank have it structured. Remember, I spoke about tokens. They reward you tokens as well for marketing and having active contracts in your account. So with these tokens here, they made it in such a way if you want to partake into the different marketing area, you have to make a one-time purchase using those tokens, right? So if you're into the marketing and you want to buy into the different levels to obtain a little percent, nothing um um nothing great like in high percentages and stuff, which is good because many platforms that offer high percentages on the marketing side, most of the time they don't really last long, right? Yeah, Wendell, definitely, man. They have a feature called transfer. Just looking at the chat box here, you could transfer instant cash from your account to a partner's account free within the network, right? So yeah, I'll touch that on in a bit here. So that's the marketing side. It's 10 levels deep. You earn first level 7%, 10 level 0.5%. So there's a lot of ways you could use the tokens as well. With the tokens, you could buy cases, and with these cases, you earn instant cash to your account. So we're gonna demonstrate one, right? So what I did here, I just bought a case using some of our tokens. It looks like a lot of tokens, but guys, come on, you could accumulate a lot of tokens quickly within Shawbank, right? Just by doing the networking side and having the bonds contract. You're gonna see a lot of tokens eventually. So that's what I did. I instantly purchase a common case using the tokens. Every 24 hours, I could do this and earn 4 to 40 HKD. That would have added to my balance here. And you could do this every 24 hours, right? There's a common case, rare case, mystical, legendary, and immortal. All these cases you could buy into once you have the required amount of tokens. So that's something to get excited about as well. Using the tokens um, to buy cases within the platform or buy into the different levels of the networking side of Xiaobank. So let's look at the three categories available. Coming to a close here, right? We have available under the account. Once you're a verified member, remember you do the KYC process and you're gonna get a verified account. Instantly you get a Shao card. This virtual Shao card. You could use this Shao card anywhere in Hong Kong or some of the supported European country. It acts like a master Visa card where you have a CVC code, your code, expiry date, and so forth. With this window here, there's refill balance where you could top up your account like a little savings account. You could put in any one of the supported crypto within the platform. Oh, okay, okay. All right, Wendell. I understand what it is you're saying now with the tokens. No, unfortunately, you cannot transfer the tokens. You could transfer your earnings, like the supported crypto, HKD. In fact, you could transfer that, right? But not the tokens at the moment. So probably in the future they might work out something on that. But currently, the tokens could only be used on the marketplace, or you could use that to buy into the different levels. All right. So The refill balance here, you could top it up like a savings account. What is really unique with Shao Bank is that although you deposit with USDT TRC20, you could withdraw via Bitcoin, right? It's not limited to what you invest within the platform. So I like that about Shao Bank. It's pretty unique, knowing that I could deposit a USDT and withdraw via Bitcoin or any one of the supported crypto on the platform, right? So the minimum withdrawal amount with USDT is $6.41, zero commission charge. And most of the time when I did my withdrawals, I got it in less than 24 hours, right? So that's really nice to note. Also, I mean, persons who experience with the USDT in their Exodus wallet or so forth, you know that you would need TRX to move your USDT. Shao gives you the ability to withdraw via TRX as well, right? So they do charge a commission on the TRX. Again, the minimum will be 50 HKD with the TRX. The different cryptos will have different minimum amount. As you can see, 400 HKD for the Bitcoin, 7.8% on the commissions. You could check it out, guys. Remember, it's free to sign up, have your account log in, head over to account, check out withdrawal, look at the different cryptos, and you would see the different commissions and stuff being charged when doing a withdrawal. All right, so Albert on the chat, is Shao Bank only online, or is it also possible to talk with a Shao Bank resident? Yeah, definitely, bro. You could contact. There's a number. I'll show you it in a bit. You could reach out directly, or you could send them an email, or you could even get in contact with support directly. So I'll show you that in a bit. We have a transfer feature here, Wendell. I think this is what I was speaking about. With the transfer feature, you could send HKD directly from your account to a registered partner in the network account. It's free to do so and it happens instantly. So that's one way you could send funds to someone's account so they could activate a bonds contract. So there's a lot of ways you could get in contact with support. There's a Telegram channel on that is available. You could reach out to a support there, or you could simply log into your account, head over to the support tab, and you could contact support from there. Within your account, you could open a ticket, or you could go directly to the web page and help and support under digital banking. You scroll all the way down, and you're gonna see an address here, an email you could send to, or a phone number you could contact Shao Bank directly. All right, guys. So you'll see some nice video tutorials here, very short in understanding how to open account, how to withdraw and stuff like that. So you can take your time, check out the platform, check out their Facebook page, a lot of activities there on their Facebook page as well, right? Really, really complete website you're looking at here, guys. So I really appreciate everyone taking the time to come out on today's call. Once you're interested, simply reach back out to the person who invited you, or if it was just, on the call without a referral link, you could sign up directly um, on the website. So I'm just gonna answer a question here. Kingsley, mini ATM for withdrawal using USDT TRC20. Mini AMT. I'm not really sure. I know USDT TRC20 is minimum $7. You could withdraw that amount once you have that available. Not too sure what is the mini EMT about. Really not sure, but you could always ask that question on the Telegram chat, right? So guys, have a great weekend ahead. I will see you all on the inside. Remember to reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. Tell them you would like to get started and they will guide you accordingly. So I'll see you all on Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great day.